I wanted to conduct a test of how the Saramonic Ultra performs in terms of its wireless connection. And there have been plenty of videos about how far you can go from the system that I think are, not all that practical in terms of use. I was more interested in what happens when you block the line of sight, which is something that commonly happens, say, if you have this on a speaker in a conference. So right now I'm about, 15 feet away, but I'm going to cross back over to here. And at this point, I am about 30 feet away from the camera, and hopefully I'm still connected and I'm sounding great. I'm going to turn to the side, see if I start to disconnect then, and I'm going to face the back here to see whether there's any disconnection that happens between the two systems. I'll turn back around, and if I did disconnect, or if there was dropping, how quickly did I reestablish? So I think that this test is actually not all that important in the system because you have the internal recording capabilities. You're always going to have access to the audio file that you want to capture. Now I think I'm about 45 feet away. I'm going to do the same test. I'm going to turn and I'm going to face the opposite direction. Did my voice cut out? Am I dropping any of the audio signals? And now I'm back around. Did I reconnect if I dropped out? And I'm actually going to cross this way totally out of line of sight with my office here blocking me, and did I start to drop out at this point? So I'm no longer having any line of sight with the camera and the receiver for the Saramonic Ultra. I'll come back around and see, did this fit? So my previous tests have all been successful, and hopefully this one was too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful.